We've got Nissan X-Trail. It's in limp mode, due to, so you've got them lights, and red, that's the red engine management light, and that's the amber, and the auto start and stop will not work due to the DPF, as far as we know. So what we're going to do, we're going to do a regen and hopefully reset most of the sensors, and that should be it really. I'll update you as we go along as well. So using the hotel machine, when you do a full scan, you can either go into the DPF via the hot function, or when you've done a full scan, what you can do is also go onto it this way if it brings it. So click onto that, and then click onto special functions, and then if I swipe, either way really, there we go, service regeneration. Every vehicle, you'll get most of the vehicles on here, to be fair. However, but for DPF, it's a lot easier if you just go onto it. Yep, so this is telling you the ins and outs and what to do and what not to do. So, yep, warning, that's fine. There we go. It revs it to where it needs to be. And this can go on for, God knows really, every vehicle varies. Anything from 15-20 minutes all the way to an hour and a half that I've had in the past. So we'll just let it do this, let it do its job, and then hopefully once it's all done, I will update you as well and see how it all goes. So it's still doing the regen. Hopefully it should finish soon. So after about 10 to 15 minutes, it's kind of gone from 3 and a bit rev to 2, and then you will go into cooldown phase in a bit as well. The regeneration has finished. It has come to an end. Now what we're going to do is clear them faults that we had on the screen earlier on. Now we're saying ignition off, so there we go, ignition off, there we go, yes, let it clear all the faults, yes, I'm happy. And now if we go on there, while it's doing that, we'll turn the car on and see what's what. Here we go, everything's off the cluster. As you can see on here earlier, I showed you that was on constantly. Now you can turn it off and on, so everything's back to normal, everything's reset, and the car's got full power as well.